The Crawlways.
For the win!
Okay, your hero must survive, grab the gem, avoid being seen by the ogres. No code problems. Okay. So, I want to know, are they going to come up here? Because I feel like if we just keep going right, they're going to see us or something. But let's find out. Let's move right twice to get the gem and see what we can do.
Move right.
We grabbed the gem. Let's see. Let's see what happens if we move right and then we move back left. And then we move right again. Like, are they gonna pop up and go back down, or?
Move right. Move right. Move left.
Ha!
Move right.
They don't see us. Let's go.